Welcome to Swastik Creations Lab. In this video, I will teach you how to create an overlapping shadow effect in Adobe Photoshop. First, we will create a new file. Click on New File, then document size 1920 by 1080, and background color should be black, then click OK. Now go to the Type tool and type the first alphabet. By default, the text color is pink, but I will change it to white. Then adjust the size again if needed. Press Ctrl-T to transform its size according to your document. Now go to the Layers panel, click on the first alphabet layer, and right-click on it. Choose Blending Options to open the Layer Style menu. Select Gradient Overlay and apply my gradient settings. Now you can see a shadow effect appearing on the left side of the letter Y.
Press Ctrl+J again to make another copy. Press Ctrl+T and place it where needed. Press Alt+Ctrl+Shift+T 7 times to repeat the transformation. Double-click on any single letter to change it and follow the same process. If you subscribe to my channel, you'll stay connected with interesting tutorials like this. So go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel now. Select all the text layers, right-click on them, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate it. Then right-click and choose Flip Vertical. Drag it downward and place it here. Select the lower layer, add a layer mask. Then go to the Gradient tool. Select the basic black and white gradient. Set it to linear, and drag upwards. Go to Adjustment and add a solid color adjustment layer. Change its color to your choice. Now right-click on Color Adjustment Layer, select Convert to Smart Object. Then go to the Filter menu, select Filter Gallery, and under Texture, choose Grain. Apply the settings I used. Now change its blend mode of Color Adjustment Layer to Multiply. Next, add another solid color adjustment layer. Choose any color you like. Now change its blend mode of solid color adjustment layer to color mode. You can easily change the color with just one click. I hope you like this design. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.